Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Google Ads keyword research with different sources. Like in previous video, we have seen that we have done keyword research using Google Ads keyword planner. Okay, so let's see how we can do keyword research using different sources. Okay, so let's get started. So we can see we have multiple keyword researching tools available here. Like the first option we can see is Google Autosuggestion. Okay, so let's see how we can do keyword research using Google Autosuggestion. So I will search here like roof repair services. So I can see multiple auto suggestions are available here, like roof repair services near me, roof repair services Bolton, roof repair services Ashwood, roof repair services Karachi. So what you can do, you can take those keywords and use them in your Google Ads campaign as a keyword. Okay, so if I only search for roof repair, then it will give me roof repair services, roof repair near me, roof repair cost, roof repair specialist, roof repair tip. So yeah, if I search another term called car rental services, then it will give me some keyword auto suggestion. Okay, car rental services near me, car rental services in Lagos, car rental services in Delhi, car rental services in Bangalore. So I would suggest you to take some ideas from here and use them as per your requirements in your Google Ads. Okay, so let's see the second option, like Ubersuggest extension. So what we need to do, we need to install this extension from Chrome Web Store. Like I am searching for Chrome Web Store and I will click on this link and I will share this document with you so that you can copy this extension name and paste it here like Chrome Web Store, and you can install those extension. Okay, I have already installed them, like Keyword Everywhere, Ubersuggest, WMS Everywhere, Keyword Surfer. So I would suggest you to install them. Okay, and let's see how we can use them for keyword researching. Okay, so I will search again like roof repair service, and we can see that Ubersuggest is giving us some keyword suggestions here, like roof repair service, and it is giving us monthly search volume, CPC. Okay, so you can customize it from here. You can change the country from here. You can change the languages from here. Okay, English, United Kingdom, it is showing by default, but if you want, you can customize it. But for me, I'm happy with targeting UK. Okay, so you can see it here, emergency roof repair service. It has monthly volume of 20, no CPC. Roof repair service near me, monthly volume 10 and CPC 1.91 euro. So yeah, you can use them in your Google Ads as a keyword. Okay, so the next option is keyword surfer. They are giving us two suggestions like roof repair, roof repairs. Okay, and the next one is keyword everywhere. Okay, so you can see roof repair service near Dhaka. It is showing by default my location because I am living in Dhaka. Roof repairing service near me, roof repair service USA, and it will also give you people also search form. So what you can do, you can copy all of them, okay, and use in your campaign, okay, as a keyword. And the best option is they are giving you long tail keywords, which is really necessary. So like roof repairing service near me, roof repairing services Karachi, Philippine. So I will suggest you to go through all of this option and use them as per your requirements. Okay, so another option we can see here, like they are giving us related searches like roof repair services near your city, roof repair specialist, uh, roof repair service near me. Okay, so please go through all of this option and use them as per your requirements. And the last option we'll see is Wordstream. Okay, So let's go to the Wordstream. And there, I need to search some keyword here, like car, rental, and you can select the industry, like different of industries are available here, but I will select all industry, and you can customize your location, but I will keep it as United States. I will click on continue. Okay, let's wait a little bit. It will take some time. Okay, so we can see bunch of keyword targeting or keyword ideas are available here. Okay, we can see here is keywords, monthly search volume, top of the page with low range, top of the page with high range competitor. Okay, competition. So it is similar like as Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so you can use those keywords as per your requirements. You can see their search volume, bid range, and their competition. Okay, like car rental near me, cheap rental cars. Okay, yeah, car hire. So you can use them as per your requirements, like, and you can download all the keywords and filter all of them as per your needs. Okay, they are giving us 500 keyword suggestions here. So yeah, so I will share this doc with you so that you can use it smoothly. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. You can like our page. Okay, keep watching the series. You have a good day then. Bye bye.